Question 21. Exercise 21.2. Solve for x. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to basically what we're going to do is we're going to find the lowest common denominator between 6, 4 and 3. Always start off with the biggest number, 6. 4 won't divide into 6, but 3 will. That's no good. Go to 12. 4 divides into 12, 3 divides into 12, 6 divides into 12. Next thing, write a number beside 6 that turns into 12, the number 2. You're multiplying the first one top and bottom by 2. You're multiplying the next one top and bottom by 3. And you're multiplying the other one top and bottom by 4. That's the first part, okay? Now, what this turns into is one big fraction on the left. The big fraction on the left is all over 12. Because now both bottoms equal 12. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply 2 by 3x minus 1. It's going to be minus 3 because the 3 is beside a minus. And that's going to be multiplied by x minus 3. And all this will equal 4 by 4, 16 over 12. Now what happens right away is that the 12s will cancel. Okay? And what will in effect happen is we're going to multiply these out. We're going to get 6x minus 2 minus 3x plus 9 equals 16. Bring the 9 and the 2 over the other side. We're going to get 3x equals 16 minus 9 plus 2. 3x equals 9, x equals 3. How many people got that? This is, and this sometimes comes very useful in algebra, particularly when it gets a bit more complicated, is to do something like this. Remember the answer is 3. So what I do is a 3-line system, 1, 2, 3, and then I do a 2-line system once that's done. Now I'm going to explain what the 3-line system means. There's one line linking 6 to 4. When you multiply that, you get what you get. Now, in this question, you're using 24 instead of 12, but it should come out the same. The next line is linking the 4 to the 4 is going up here beside the 3x minus 1. The next line is bringing the 6 up beside the x minus 3. And all of this equals 4 over 3. Now what happens is we multiply this out. We get 12x minus 4 minus 6x plus 18 all over 24 equals 4 over 3. We take them away and we get 6x plus 14 over 24 equals 4 over 3. You cross multiply then. Remember we did cross multiplication at the start? This question has a cross multiplication in it. 3 times 6x is 18x. 3 times 14 is 42. All of that equals 4 times 24, which is 96. Bring over to 42, comes minus 42. 18x equals 54. X equals 3. Look at the denominators of 2, 3 and 1. Pick the biggest one is 3. 3, 6. 6 works for all 3 numbers. It works for 2, it works for 3 and it works for 1. So what we're next going to do is we're going to change everything into 6's. Put a 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Put a 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And then finally for this one we need 6 on the bottom. That means I put 6 on top. What I'm going to get is the following. I'm going to get 6 as the denominator. So we're going to get 6 here. And we're going to get 9x minus 3. Minus 2 is minus 4x plus 10 equals 12 over 6. The 6 cancels because it's on the same on each side. You could cross multiply it and get the same answer, but you don't have to because they're both the same. Then what we get next is we should get 5x minus 7. 5x minus 7 equals 5x plus 7 equals 12. Now what happens next is the minus 7. The minus 7 goes across, and what we get here is 5x equals, turns to minus 7, and this equals 5. X therefore equals 5 divided by 5, which equals 1. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Okay, that's not too bad, yeah? Okay, let's try the next one. Now, we all got 1 there. Now the next one is 3x minus 2 over 6. 6, 4 and 3. Count up in 6's, we get 12. We need to turn everything to 12ths. Top and bottom by 2. Top and bottom by 3. And top and bottom by 4. And what we're going to get is, we're going to get 6x minus 4 minus 9x minus 3 all over 12 equals 8 over 12. Next thing we're going to get is 6x minus 9x, the 12's cancel. 6x minus 9x minus 3x minus 3x minus 7 equals 8. Bring it over to 7 minus 3x equals, that comes 8 plus 7, 15. Multiply both sides by minus 1, 3x equals minus 15, x equals minus 15 over 3, which is minus 5.